Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ajay, and today we're going to discuss the question that is find the output, that is the question paper 2018, and the question is question 1D. Find the output, and this is the code that I have taken from the same question paper, the year 2018, Computer Science 083 of CBSE, and the language is Python. Okay, so this was the code, and then we need to predict the output. We need to find the output for this particular code. So let's begin. Let us start. There is a list. That's the first line of code. Name of the list is data. Okay, then there is a variable. I will type the variable out here because the values are going to change. So I will type times initial value is 0, and then there is another variable that is alpha, and that's an empty string, so just double quotes opening and closing, and one more variable which says add, name of the variable add, and the value is 0. So those are the variables in this particular program. Okay, and this is a list. So let's begin, and then there is a loop for C in range 1, 6, 2. So this particular C, initially it will have a series that is 1. It will start from 1 and it will go till 6, but it will take a jump of 2. Okay, but it cannot cross 6, understand it. It will take a jump of 2. So it will start from 1, then 3, and then 5. That's it. So these are the numbers that C is going to have, and first C will be 1, then C will be 3, and then C will be 5. Okay, because we are taking a third argument, that is 2, so it is going to take a jump of 2. So it will start from 1, then the next number will be 3, and then it will be 5. If we ignore this, then in that case it will generate the series that is 1 to 5. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But now we are taking a jump of 2. Okay, so times is equal to times plus C. So what will be the initial value of C? That is 1. Okay, so times plus C. What is the value of times? That is 0. So 0 plus 1 I'm giving back to time. So the value of time will be now 1. Okay, alpha is equal to alpha plus data C minus 1. Okay, what is the value of alpha? That is an empty string, plus data C minus 1. What is the value of C? The value of C currently is 1. Understand it. The loop is still going. Okay, all the statements will get executed, and then the value of C will change. But at this point, the value of C is 1. So 1 minus 1, and that's the index value of data. That is a list. So data of 0. So what's the value at the index value 0? That is this, that is P. Okay, so alpha will now, that's an empty string plus P, plus this is the dollar sign. So alpha will become capital P, and then plus, that is the two characters will join, and that is a dollar sign. So this is what the value of alpha will be by this particular statement. Okay, and then it says add is equal to add plus data of C. The value of C is 1 and the value of add is 0. So 0 plus data of C, that is 1. What is that? That is, you can see 0 and 1, so that is 20 out here. Okay, so what will be the value of add? Add, the value was 0, but now it will become 20 because 0 plus 20, so that's 20. Okay, and then we are printing the value. So what value will get printed? We will write the output over here. The value that we are printing is times. What is the value of times? Current value is 1, so it will print 1. And then we are printing add. What is the value of add? That is, current value is 20, so it will give 20, and there will be a space. Why a space? Because there is a comma. When there is a comma, by default there will be one space. So 1 space 20. And then alpha. What is the value of alpha? Value of alpha is P and dollar. So P and dollar. okay, and then it will move to the next line, isn't it? Because we are not ending that with any string, so it will come to the next line. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, now the next line, what we will have, then the value of c will become 3. Now the value of c is 3, so let's do it. Times is equal to times plus c. The what is the value of times? Current value of times is 1 and the value of c is 3, isn't it? So 1 plus 3, so that becomes 4. The value of times has become 4. And then alpha is equal to alpha plus data, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, so what is the value of alpha? That is p and dollar, that is p and dollar plus this, that is 3. The value of c is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So 0, 1 and 2, that is r. So that will be r dollar. So it will become capital R and dollar. So this is the value that it will have. And then add is equal to add plus data of c. What is the value of c? That is 3. So 0, 1, 2 and 3, you can see that is 10. And what is the current value of add? That is the 20. So 20 plus 10, it will become 30, right? And then we are printing times comma add comma alpha. So what is the value of times? That is 4. And the value of add, that is 30, right? That's 30. And alpha, what is the value of alpha? That is this. So that is p dollar r dollar, right? And then one more, that is the value of c now will become 5. So let's do it fast now. Times is equal to times plus c. Value of times is 4. 4 plus c, that is, what is the value of c? 5. So 4 plus 5, so value of times will become 9. Then alpha plus data, what is the value of alpha? That's the alpha plus data, that is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, that is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is s, plus dollar. So it will become s and dollar. And then add is equal to add plus data of c, that is 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is 30. What is the value of current value of add? That is 30. 30 plus 30, it will become 60, isn't it? And then we are printing. So what will be the print value? Times has become 9, that's over here. Add has become 60 and alpha has become, this is the alpha. I'll just copy and paste. So this is the output from this particular code. Let us just run this and check whether we are right or wrong. And you can see we had a perfect output. So it is so easy to understand. Okay, so I hope you have understood this tutorial, and if you think you are achieving something out of my tutorial, do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.